Welcome back. You have made your choice between FCL and LCL. That's good. If you choose FCL, this video is for you. Let's take a deep dive into the detailed journey of your cargo from China. In case you didn't know my name is Ethan Wu from SINO Shipping. The journey starts when a manufacturer has the goods ready for the shipment. Then you need to find the transport for your shipment. That's where we come into play and provide all the necessary details like the cargo volume, container type, and the required delivery schedule. Based on the details provided and the Incoterms that you used, we plan the shipment and finalize the sailing schedule, ensure it aligns with your needs. This includes coordinate the estimate time of departure and estimate time of arrival. Next step is to pick up the empty container from the depot. We ensure the container is in perfect condition and ready for loading. Quality control of the container here is crucial to avoid any complication during transit. After your container is loaded, at the same time, we handle all the crucial shipping documents. This detailed paperwork makes sure things go smooth as custom clearance and prevent any potential delays. Once loaded, the container is transported to the port. Here, timing is crucial. We ensure it arrives before the container cutoff time to avoid missing the ship. At the port, the container is securely loaded onto the cargo vessel. At the vessel site, we continuously monitor the container's journey, ensure everything is on track. We prepare for its arrival at the destination port, coordinate with local agents to expedite the custom process. Upon arrival, the container goes through custom clearance. Thanks to our detailed preparation work, this process is typically fast, allowing for quick delivery to the final destination. The last mile of journey. The container delivered to the consignee in the US, where it is unloaded. Our commitment ensures your goods arrive not just on time, but in perfect condition, ready for market or production line. There's a web on FCL shipping process, complex but seamless with the right expertise. Have questions or need our services? Drop a comment, contact us, and don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe for more insights. Remember, follow SINO, we are your shipping pro.